नित्यानन्देश्वरसमारम्भां नित्यानन्देश्वरिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, Samajis, Satsangis, sitting with us all over the world through Nityananda TV, Lotus TV, Sadhana TV, Janashri TV, Ishwar TV, cities, sitting with us in two-way video conferencing, having Nayana Diksha. Alice, France, Molières, Cadillac, France, Oman, Sivagangai, Auckland, California, the first sutra on the knowledge in Vedic tradition, the Brahma Sutras. The first sutra starts with Atato Brahma Jignasat. Let us inquire into the truth. Let us inquire into the existence. With this spirit of seeking the truth, analyzing the truth is intra-analyzing. Understand these few sacred secrets, then you will be able to understand what is manana in a complete way. See, one of the biggest problem we have to live our present life is incompletions of the past. But unfortunately, you do not understand the way the past enters into your present. Unless you understand the way it enters, you cannot get it out. Always you think your present is filled by your past, which is not true. Please listen. If you are listening, this should be a shocker for you. Your present is not filled with your past. It is always filled with your future. And the day before you are coming to Bali, November 28th or 29th or 30th, how you are feeling? Not only physically, even psychologically. You are there in the same old house, the same husband, same family, same job. So Swaminathan is seeing in the TV. You are there with them only. But how come you are all flying? Because the future was already filling the present. Same way, imagine the 22nd of December, how you will be. 21st of December. You will be here with me, 21st of December. But you will be already? No. Because the future is filling. So please understand, your future only is filling the present, but your future is filled with your past. Understand, if you are thinking your present is filled with your past, you will never be able to solve the problem. Because the Kala Chakra, you have to understand the secret of Kala Chakra. Kala is painted in Hindu tradition as a snake swallowing its own tail. Snake swallowing its own tail. That is the way Kala is painted. Snake's head is past, its tail is future. No present is mentioned in Vedic calendar. Be very clear. Nothing about present is mentioned. In the visualization and the presentation, only the past and future is mentioned. Because the description says, present can never be visualized and painted. By the time you paint, it is moved. By the time you click a picture, it is no more present. Past swallowing the future is time. You need to know, where are you really living and what is the real obstacle? In any field, we have geniuses. You can't crash Sushruta. You can't crash Panini, the elastic. You can't crash Patanjali in yoga. You can carve your own face for Patanjali statue, but you can't crash Patanjali. We can't. We don't need to. Kids, for the sake of kids, we will be together. This is Indian divorce. Indian divorce means they will never separate. Legally, they will be living in the same house, sometime even soon, but they won't talk to each other. If you have seen or lived Indian divorce for some time in your life, yes, it's common in India. Same way, your past controls your present, but through the future. First, liberate your future from all past sitting on it. All the overdosage of do's and don'ts from your past. Please understand. The dooms of your past should not be harassing your future. Complete with all that. Then the past, which is complete, can fill your present. We have no problem. Future, which does not have the baggage of past, can possess your present, can live through your present. We don't have a problem. What is the actual problem? Actual problem is not future. Actual problem is past disguised in the name of future. Past wearing the cloth of the future. Complete with everything sitting in your past. Then we welcome your past. Welcome your future. Complete everything sitting in the future. All the decisions you made for future from the past, complete with them. Then we are ready. The future is beautiful to live. Future is overflowing to live. The future is a great future. Understand? It's a possibility. Future is God's statement to you. Still I trust you, and I give you the possibilities. Future is great, but don't allow devil occupying the future, the past occupying the future. No. Essence of today's satsang. Know very clearly where you did the filing error. The past sitting in the future, and future is dominating your present. If you know this circle, only then you will know why you need to complete. Complete with all your past sitting on future. So you will have beautiful present. With this, I'll move to the next segment of the morning satsang, Dial the Avatar. Let you all achieve, experience, live, express, radiate, share, and explode in eternal bliss. Nityananda.
Nityananda Dhyanapitham, Nityananda Nagar, off Mysore Road, Bidadi, Bengaluru. Phone 08027279999. www.nityananda.org. www.youtube.com/life